Elddis has an unrivaled record when it comes to building caravans that are both lightweight and durable. The weight of each and every component is carefully scrutinised to make the end product as economical as possible. This can be seen in the company's super lightweight entry-level models, as well as their luxury tourers, which offer high levels of specification while keeping the weight surprisingly low. So when it came to rethinking the way Elddis makes caravans and motorhomes, the design team saw a great opportunity for saving yet more weight. A new technique was pioneered over a 3-year period by working closely with the industry-leading adhesive experts at Henkel.
We've gone to experts who are world-renowned experts in chemical bonding techniques, and they've advised us on what we should be aiming for to achieve the very best bond possible.
In order to keep the overall weight down, it was vital to minimise the number of parts used and keep the process simple and effective.
The lightness gives us the flexibility to make choices, whether to either strive for the lightest caravans or to add specification to give our customers the best product we possibly can.
By using Henkel adhesives, Elddis was able to develop a bonded structure that allows for a significant weight saving when compared with the previous technique.
And very quickly from that point we saw some of the huge advantages we had with the Henkel product in terms of taking weight, improving the robustness of the structure, everything really.
The stiffer walls and stronger roof and floor are all fully bonded to the chassis in this process, meaning that they too can add more to the structural strength of the finished product. However, it was important to make sure that the weight savings didn't in any way compromise the strength of the product.
The testing initially was our own test locally. We've done lots of testing at various test tracks. We've done some testing at Millbrook with a caravan test schedule which they design. We've tested at Markbronn in Germany, again with a schedule designed by our chassis manufacturers. And in addition to that, we've gone to the Ford Proving Ground at Lommel, where we have pushed the testing further than we've done before, threefold.
The testing of our final prototypes was absolutely crucial. We wanted to test where large trucks are tested, we wanted to test next to normal domestic passenger vehicles, and we wanted to test next to some really serious kit, next to military applications like Challenger tanks, for example. And if we could come through all of those testing environments, again we would obtain reassurance that we were heading in the right direction.
During the test, the caravan is subjected to all the rigours that will suffer during the normal life of use. So crashing into potholes, crashing over the curbs, corrugations, cobblestones, high-speed motorway running as well.
But when the test results came back, they just exceeded all of our expectations, and it absolutely was clear it was the way to go forward.
Following an arduous schedule of fully loaded towing, the caravans and motorhomes came through the ordeal without missing a beat, and were deemed suitable for full-scale production. The lightness produced by this process is ensured by the way that Elddis has redesigned its production line, guaranteeing that these weight savings are passed on to the customer in the finished product.
Yes, I think it just gives us confidence. It's confidence that we're doing the right thing. We know that we're saving weight.
And whilst the entire production process is geared towards creating lightweight leisure vehicles, quality and strength is not compromised at any stage.
All these things are major benefits to customers, particularly the lightness nowadays with fuel prices escalating. The weight of the vehicle is going to become more and more important. Yeah? We don't want to reduce the weight without necessarily affecting the strength of the product.
With the price of fuel going up, towing a lighter caravan makes more and more sense. And whether it's saving weight or fitting in more high-end specification without tipping the scales, the Elddis solid construction process ultimately means fewer trips to the pumps for the owner.